Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enhance the performance of your computer without installing any third-party application. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and run an antivirus scan from our computer. So this could be any antivirus that you already have, or you can just use Windows Defender. In this example I'm going to be using my Windows Defender. After that you need to go ahead and go to settings, and then we're going to go ahead and find Windows Update, and then we're going to update our Windows to the latest version. Make sure we have all the drivers updated. Now this is not just related to Windows, you also need to go ahead and update all your Nvidia drivers or maybe even Intel drivers. Staying up to date is very important. Okay, so for me it's showing that there are no updates available right now because I'm already on the latest version. You also need to go ahead and go to advanced options and see if there are any optional updates available. You can go ahead and update your computer that way as well. Alright, now we are going to go ahead and open our task manager, and then we're going to go to startup applications. Now here you need to go ahead and disable every application that you do not need on the startup. So for example, I do not want Google Chrome to start after I just turn on my computer, and that's why I'm going to disable it. You can see that the startup impact is written right next to the application's name. So make sure that you disable at least most of the applications which show high startup impact. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and go to add and remove applications. Now here I want you to go ahead and search for any application that you do not recognize or you do not really use. Uninstalling unwanted applications could improve the performance of your computer a lot. It will help you with your disk space, as well as if there are any applications that are running in the background for no reason, you can just uninstall them. Okay, now I want you to press Windows plus R key and go ahead and type on temp. After that I want you to go ahead and delete everything in this folder. Now it won't delete every single thing. Some things are not going to be deleted because those files are being used by the system at the moment. I'm just going to cancel it. And then I want you to hit this command and delete everything again. Alright, now our temporary files have been deleted. Now I want you to go ahead and search for power and battery settings. Here we're going to go ahead and change our power mode to best performance. It might be on balanced or the power efficiency. Make sure that you change it to best performance. Alright, now I want you to go ahead and open up my computer or this PC, and then I want you to go to your hard disk and go to the properties. Now go to tools and go for error checking. Make sure you go and do error checking for all the drives. It will scan and it will take some time, but make sure you do this for all the drives. I'm also going to be creating another video, a more comprehensive guide on optimizing your computer using a few applications so that you can improve your gaming performance as well. So if you want to watch that video, go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification. That video will be coming soon.